These are not exciting graphics card, but if you get seven of them, then it gets interesting. They have 20 gigabytes of VRAM, great. For cooling, I use an all-in-one cooler. Looks a bit suspicious. The front panel fell off, okay? Now, if Marcia asks, how much did you spend on all of this? This seems crazy. I prepared a script, and I need you to memorize this in case she double checks you to verify it. This has to be rock solid, okay? All right, here we go. Well, it is not about how much it costs, but about how much it saves. You see, a build of this caliber replaces the need for cloud computation. At current market rates for, let's say, $2 per GPU, multiplied by 7 GPUs, we run this for 8 hours a day, 6 months, bing bada boom, this thing is paid for itself. Well, you see, the math doesn't lie, okay?